Hello and welcome to the Yorkshire Gardener's video for today. Today's video is going to be a little tour around my allotment to show you what it's currently looking like on the 5th of May 2019. So let's take a look around the plot. So this is the front of my plot. I've got some pansies to add some colour and some bushes to fill a bit of space in. And then as we go onto my plot, I've got raspberry plants growing down this side, and down here I've got blueberry bushes. I only planted them last year. They seem to be coming, so look at them. They do need weeding. There's always weeding to do. And another one. Some more raspberries. They seem to be coming nicely. And then down here, this is my lemon balm plant. Down here, look at that, that's doing really well. And then another herb. And down this side is all my rhubarb, which, look at that, absolutely fantastic. These are what I use for all my rhubarb recipes, which I keep sharing with you. I hope you're finding them useful. I'm also creating a rhubarb recipe book, so stay tuned for that. It's nearly finished, and then it's off to get designed. Down this side I planted strawberries. I've done that this year, so I won't expect many strawberries on it, but they are flowering, so that's a good sign. This is my cooking apple tree. It's got some blossom on it. I did give it a good chop back last year because it had overgrown, so I'm not expecting too much from it. So yep, down this side we've got, look at them, they're growing well. And then another apple tree, that did really well last year, so I just need to straighten it up and fasten it to this post when I've got a bit of help. But yeah, that's doing really well. And then another apple tree. We'll see how that does this year because I didn't get no apples on that last year. More raspberries. And then those were all the cuttings that I took. They need spreading out a bit more, but I've just planted them in the soil for the time being. And then in this bed, the new strawberries what I've planted. They're doing well, they're starting to flower. I won't expect many on it this year, but hopefully. And then down this side, I'm going to have all my peas. They're going to be up against some chicken wire, so they'll grow really well there in front of my polytunnel. And then, as you can see, it's all starting to take shape now. It's starting to look like an allotment again. I decided to take it all up last year and start from scratch, so I've probably left it a bit too late, but I'm managing to get it done. Those are some onions I've planted. They're doing well. And some more onions. They're all doing well. Those are my potatoes I planted under here. And some more in there. As they start to pop through, I'll earth them up. So yeah. And then I've still got all that bit down there to clear. And more beds to build. I should fit in another 7 beds. So plenty more space. And those are some strawberries growing now what I need to move. So, and then down that side is all rubbish at the moment. I didn't use that area last year, but I am going to use it this year. As you can tell, it's got bindweed growing, so that's going to be a mammoth task taking all that out. But I need to get it out fast because it grows so fast each day. And hopefully I'll get about 6 beds in there. So that's the plan. Every little bit of space you need. So as we go back down here, all my rhubarb. Oh, I didn't show you this. My Victoria plum tree. It's all getting plums on it. Don't know if you can see them, there you go. All getting plums on it. So yeah, they're doing fantastic. My polytunnel, which is a mess at the moment. That's just a dumping area until my tomatoes get ready. I should be potting them up soon. They all need transplanting, look, they're doing really well. I start them off later, I don't start them off about January, I start them off about April time, but they do catch up. And as you can see, everything is growing. So needs watering today. So that's one job I've got to do. Get it all watered. Those are all my sunflowers. I'm going to grow sunflowers down the sides of my plot. I've potted some up. They're doing well. And then those are all more seeds. Those are my pineapples in one of my how-to videos. What I planted up. I don't know how they're doing. Starting to turn a bit brown, but you never know, they might take, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Those are my peas, what I planted in one of my videos. I'm keeping them inside for the time being because of the frost, what we can still keep getting. And those are the runner beans, what I planted in one of my videos. And these are my herbs, what I planted in one of my videos as well. They've taken well in my recycle containers. And then these are my potatoes. And as you can see, one lot are popping through. So they need covering up. So that's going to be the job for today. So yeah, this is my shed. Bit of a mess, but it does the job. So thank you for watching the tour of my plot. I'll try and update it actually once a week, so stay tuned for that. Obviously it's on the front page of my website so you can all see it. If you're watching it on YouTube rather than on my website is www.theyorkshiregardener.com. So go and check it out. That's where I put all my information, facts, videos, tips, advice. It's work in progress, so stay tuned for it to get lots more content added. So thank you for watching today's video and tour of my plot, and remember, keep gardening.